Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe. I am the VUG local jeweler in Salt Lake City. I want to talk a little bit about stones and stone weights and how stones are sold and how we judge or how we character stones. There's many different shapes, of course: round, oval, emerald cut, princess cut, many different shapes. Stones are generally sold, faceted stones are generally sold in, like diamonds and rubies and sapphires, are sold in carat weights. Now this is a carat scale. A carat is 1.0. So a half carat is 0.50. A carat and a half is 1.50. This is a 1.23. So it's basically 1 1/4 carat stone, diamond. Now, how we use them for setting, a jeweler would say, okay, this is a 6mm stone. That's how we judge what kind of crown or what kind of setting it's going to go in. Now, sometimes pieces like lapis lazuli or turquoise is sold by the gram. This is a 1 gram piece. Maybe it's $5 a gram. It's only going to be a $5 stone. But depending on what kind of stones there are is basically how they're sold.